Today we will study capacitor and an important topic of electricity. This concept helps us understand how electric charge can be stored. A capacitor is a device used to store electric charge. It consists of two metal plates placed close to each other, separated by air or an insulating material called a dielectric. When a battery is connected, electrons move from one plate to the other. One plate becomes negatively charged, and the other becomes positively charged. Thus, electric charge is stored in the capacitor. The ability of a capacitor to store charge is called capacitance. Capacitance is defined as the ratio of charge to potential difference. Mathematically, capacitance C equals Q divided by V. The SI unit of capacitance is Farad, named after the scientist Michael Faraday. Capacitance depends on three main factors: area of the plates, distance between the plates. Nature of the dielectric material. Greater area means greater capacitance. Capacitors are used in mobile phones, radios, televisions, and camera flashes that they help in storing energy and smoothing electric signals. To summarize, a capacitor stores electric charge and tells us how much charge it can store. This topic is very important for understanding electronics. We learned about capacitor and capacitance. Now, we will study different types of capacitors and their uses. Capacitors are mainly divided into two types: fixed capacitors and variable capacitors. An electrolytic capacitor has very high capacitance. It is used in power supplies and amplifiers to store energy. A ceramic capacitor uses ceramic as a dielectric. It is small in size and used in radios, TVs, and computers. An electrolytic capacitor has very high capacitance. It is used in power supplies and amplifiers to store energy. In a variable capacitor, capacitance can be changed. It is mostly used in radio tuning circuits. A supercapacitor can store a large amount of energy. It is used in electric vehicles and backup power systems. Capacitors are used for energy storage, signal filtering, voltage smoothing, tuning radio frequencies. Different capacitors are used for different purposes. Understanding their types helps us learn electronics and circuits better. Question 1. What is the SI unit of capacitance? Correct answer, B5. Increasing distance reduces capacitance. Correct answer, B, decrease. Electrolytic capacitors store a large amount of charge. Correct answer, C, electrolytic capacitor. Variable capacitors are used in tuning circuits. Correct answer, C, variable capacitor. One plate becomes positive and the other negative. Correct answer, C.
Thanks for watching.